just woke up like 30 minutes ago, and it's 1:50, so I think I woke up at like 1:20. But I got a box finally. So this is not like products or anything. It's called a spirit kit, and they send it. Oh, well, I took the whole lid off. Come here. Hang on. Okay. So I wanted to share it with you because I think it's pretty neat. There's some cool things in here. There's an exclusive scent and stuff. So this is the spirit kit, and I paid the deposit to go to SFR, which is Scentsy Family Reunion, and that's happening like at the end of July. But there's just like a lot of things working against me in the universe, so I'm not gonna get to go. But because I paid the deposit for the ticket to go, they went ahead and sent my kit to me, which is really nice because they didn't have to. Like, that's, you know, it's not part of the terms and conditions. It's a training event, and you're supposed to pay the full ticket price and go, but I just couldn't. And like hotel costs and gas costs and food costs, I'm just like, this year is not it for me. But regardless, last year I got to go to Scentsy Family Reunion, and it was amazing. Me and Abby went. Abby's my cousin. Y'all probably know her if you know me for any length of time. She's also my sponsor. So we drove to Utah last year, and that was insane. And so this year, Scentsy Family Reunion is happening in Charlotte, which is so much closer, and I was so excited. I was like, yeah, it's gonna be on the East Coast. I can make that happen. But it didn't. So regardless, I have this like unboxing, and it's just so neat, and they did such a good job with this year. It's crazy. It's like almost iridescent looking, and I've been seeing other people unbox theirs on YouTube, and so I wanted to share like what comes in the Scentsy Spirit Kit for consultants, because I'm sad I'm gonna have to miss out on the training. But this is the lid. Okay, and then here we've got the program guide on top, and something else. Program guide, something else. I don't know the difference. I'll open that in a minute. But this is like one of the important things to me. It's the ribbons that you get that commemorate all of the like little accomplishments you've done throughout the year. And my goal last year was to promote and to have more ribbons this year than I did last year. And I think I did that. I'll have to get my other one and show you the difference after I stick these on. I might post that in a different picture later because it's going to take me a little bit of time to put them on. But then we also got, this is the name tag holder. This is the name tag. And this is the schedule that I would have done if I would have been able to go. And then this is a special fragrance. I don't know what it is. They call it SFR 2023 Reflections. So I might put that in the car and figure out what it smells like. Okay, and then this is the lanyard. But Scentsy Family Reunion is a training event that consultants can go to, and there are options to earn the ticket for free if you like sell so much stuff throughout the year. But I didn't hit that last year, and so there's always room for improvement. And that's what my title was about. Like, I may not be able to go this year, but there's always something to work towards. And I was like pretty bitter about not being able to go, but it's fine. There's more next year. So I got the blue lanyard. I know that they separate the lanyard colors. I think like purple and green are for directors and above, and then this is for everybody else. I think it was either orange or blue, and I got orange. And then this is the t-shirt. This is the event t-shirt that has the theme on it. Let's see. It's reflections. So I think they're leaning into, like, it almost looks like pieces of broken glass, right? And then it's got all that on it. On the back it says Reflections, SFR 2023, Charlotte, Scentsy. And so that's exciting. I got that in a 2X because I like them roomy. And then down here, sorry, I'm not showing you stuff. Look how freaking pretty that is. I'm keeping this box. You know, I'm just keeping this cute. Okay, that's just paper. And then down here is the fragrance shirt. They asked us when we registered for the ticket what our favorite fragrance family is. And I had to hold one out because I know fruity and bakery get all of the love. And I don't think spice gets enough love. So I got the spice shirt. And this will be amazing. This is like one of them comfy shirts. Let's see. What's the brand? Canvas. Bella Canvas. Yes. I love these. I have so many of these. So this is the, if you ever look at the website, there's like different logos for each fragrance family. Woods, fresh, floral, fruity, bakery, citrus, and spice. And I love the spice. Pumpkin chai is one of my favorite scents. I love it. And so that's why I got this. So we got 2 shirts. And then let me go through my tags. I forgot to show you my tags. Okay, so, or ribbon. Okay, I think I'm back. Okay, so these are all of my little ribbons that I can put on my name tag. I got Lifetime PRV 10K. I hit 10K PRV last August. So I'm at 14K now. And then charitable cause, I sold $100 worth of the charitable cause warmer. So I get that. I sold Disney items, and so because we're like, Scentsy has a new partnership, relatively new, it's been about 3 years, partnership with Disney. I think that this is the new tag. So when you sell so many Disney products from the catalog, you get like a little bit of recognition for that. And then Star, because I'm a Star consultant. And then USA. And then I have one more. This is for my team that I'm on. My star director sent it, Sensational Southern. And then okay, this is the one from last year. So let's see, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 last year. This year I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm doing, there's progress made, so that's good. But it's just fun, you know. People do this business for a bunch of different reasons, but I like a little bit of the competitiveness of, can I do better than I did last year? And just learning new skills and smelling all the fragrances and selling all the fragrances. So I think I'll be going through this, and I'll put my name badge together and send you all, or post a picture, and I'll try to figure out what this scent is. So yeah, and then today I have a couple pieces of mail I need to put together and mail out or get ready for drop off. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I'm making a lot of progress on that wax incentive, so thank you for the people who have ordered recently. I appreciate you so much. Okay, I guess that's all I wanted to share with y'all, was all this like random goodies I got. So I guess I'll talk to you later.